Today we are going to conduct an intra-class English debate. Intra means within the class. Intra-class English debate on the topic artificial intelligence is a boon to us. I take this opportunity to extend my heartiest welcome to Principal, Vice Principal Ma'am, and all of you present here. On my left I have the speakers. We will be speaking for the motion, and on my right I have the speakers who will speak against the motion. Nowadays, AI is the most debated topic. The people think that it's a boon. It has become imperative of our life. We can't go without it. But its side effects can also not be ignored. They are there. So you have to see what our speakers say, what our speakers think about AI. May I begin, sir? So before we begin the debate, let me read the rules and regulations. It will govern the debate. Number 1, Honorable Principal Sir will be the chairperson for the debate. His decision will be final and binding to us all. Second one, paper reading is not allowed. You have to come here. You can see the paper if you forget, but paper reading is not allowed at all. You have to speak without looking at the paper. Number 3, each debater will be given 3 minutes to deliver his or her views on the topic. However, no points will be deducted if any speaker speaks more than 3 minutes. It's relaxation for you people. If you want to speak more, you can this time. And the judges for the debate are held by the guidance of Principal. Everybody is the judge. The whole class will be judging your performance. The parameters, the basis on which your performance will be judged are: subject matter is for 10 marks, English content what the speaker speaks is for 10 marks, pronunciation 5 marks, modulation of voice 5 marks, self-confidence and eye contact 5 marks, a rebuttal round, that is question answer round. Both the opponent participants, both the opponent debaters will ask questions to each other, and the performance will be adjudged on the basis of the answers given by them. These are the parameters which will be followed. Now, may I invite the speaker? First of all, the first speaker of today is Ms. Aditi Kaushik, who will speak for the motion.